Hello everyone, me again with another nice simple wallet friendly recipe and done in minutes. It gets a bit messy but it's cheap, it's cheerful and it's delicious, I can tell you that much. So what am I doing today? I'm doing a pakora, onion and lentil pakora. So I've got the red split lentils here. They've been soaking in water overnight. I've got 2 medium onions cut there. The equivalent is 4 small onions, but again all of this stuff you just adjust to how many portions you're going to make. I've got 6 cut up there chilies. I've got some cut coriander, teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon and a little bit of salt. Again, do that to taste according to how you like it. So let's get it all mixed together and cooking. So there it is, all done. Nice, eh? Nice golden brown. And check it out. I like them, these odd shapes and sizes. I know, look at this. Look how it comes about. Oh, delicious. Yummy. Gonna devour that when it's iftar time. Hope you like and subscribe, and here come the ingredients and steps of how to make this delicious recipe. See you soon, bye bye.